Hi everyone, good morning. Once again, I welcome all the students. મિત્રો યુનિટ નંબર 1થી લઈને યુનિટ નંબર 6 સુધીની આપણી ઘણી એવી શોર્ટ નોટ્સ, ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ શોર્ટ નોટ્સ લખાવી દીધી છે. હવે આજે આપણે યુનિટ નંબર 7ની મોસ્ટ આઈએમપી શોર્ટ નોટ્સ લખવા જઈ રહ્યા છે. સો નોટબુક લઈ લો અને ક્વેશ્ચન લખો. Question number 11, write a short note using the given questions. It carries total 3 marks. Number 1, Asur's attempts to kill Kutch. ટાઇટલ લગાવ્યા બાદ નીચે આપેલા જે ક્વેશ્ચન્સ છે એ પણ લખી લો. What did Asurs not like? What was their first plan? What did they do? What did they do with Kutch's body second time? What did they do the third time? Why? Did they succeed in their attempts? Write down the answers now. When the Asurs knew, K-N-E-W, that Kutch had come to the hermitage, H-E-R-M-I-T-A-G-E, hermitage of Sukracharya to learn the secret, Sanjeevani Vidya, S capital, S-A-N-J-I-V-A-N-I, Vidya, V capital, V-I-D-Y-A, Sanjeevani Vidya, comma. They did not want the secret of reviving, R-E-V-I-V-I-N-G, reviving dead people to be known, K-N-O-W-N, to be known to the Devs, D capital, D-E-V-S. They did not want the secret of reviving dead people to be known to the Devs, comma. So they decided to remove Kutch, K capital, K-A-C-H, to remove Kutch from the hermitage of Sukracharya. Full stop, continue. Then they decided to kill him. Full stop, continue. The first time, when Kutch was taking, T-A-K-I-N-G, when Kutch was taking his masters, apostrophe S, taking his masters, M-A-S-T-E-R, apostrophe S, masters, cows, C-O-W-S, cows to the jungle, comma, the Asurs way, A capital, A-S-U-R-S, the Asurs, waylaid, it's one word, W-A-Y-L-A-I-D, waylaid him, it means to stop. So the Asurs waylaid him and killed him. Full stop, continue. They cut his body into pieces, P-I-E-C-E-S, tukda, pieces, and gave the pieces to the wolves, W-O-L-V-E-S, to the wolves and jackals, J-A-C-K-A-L-S, to the wolves and jackals. Full stop, continue. On Devyani's request, D capital, D-E-V-A-Y-A-N-I, apostrophe S. Devyani's request, Guru Sukracharya revived, R-E-V-I-V-E-D, Guru Sukracharya revived him and brought, B-R-O-U-G-H-T, brought him back to life. BA सिक्के, back to life, full stop, continue. Again the Asurs made, made the second attempt, the second, ATTEMPT, the second attempt to kill him. The second attempt to kill him, full stop, continue. This time they killed him. This time they killed him, comma, ground his body. ગ્રાઇન્ડ એટલે દળવું અને ગ્રાઇન્ડનું ભૂતકાળનું રૂપ છે ગ્રાઉન્ડ, GROUND, ગ્રાઉન્ડ હિઝ બોડી ઇન્ટુ પેસ્ટ, PASTE, ઇન્ટુ પેસ્ટ, એન્ડ મિક્સ્ડ, MIXED, એન્ડ મિક્સ્ડ ધ પેસ્ટ, એન્ડ મિક્સ્ડ ધ પેસ્ટ with the water of the ocean, with the water of the ocean, OCEAN, of the ocean, full stop, continue. Again, K capital, KACH, again Kutch was brought, BROUGHT, Kutch was brought back to life, BACK. Again Kutch was brought back to life, full stop, continue. The Asurs, A capital, ASURS, the Asurs caught him, CAUGHT, caught him the third time. The Asurs caught him the third time, full stop, continue. They killed him, KILLLED, they killed him and burnt, BURNT, and burnt his body, to ashes, ASHES, to ashes, full stop, continue. They collected the ashes, ASHES, they collected the ashes and mixed it, MIXED, and mixed it with the divine, DIVINE, with the divine wine, WINE, with the divine wine that Sukracharya drank, full stop, continue. They did this so that Kutch could not be revived, REVIVED, so that Kutch could not be revived by Sukracharya, full stop, continue. They failed, FAILED, they failed in their third attempt also. They failed in their THEIR, in their third, THIRD, in their third attempt, ATTEMPT, attempt also, full stop. હવે મિત્રો નંબર 2 ટાઇટલ લગાવો દેવ્યાની. સ્ક્રીન પર લખેલા જેટલા પણ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ છે લખી લો. Whose daughter was she? Whom did she fall in love with? How did she love Kutch? What happened to her love one day? How many times did she request her father to revive her love? When did she propose Kutch to marry her? Did she get married to Kutch? What did she do in anger? Now write down the answer. Devyani was the daughter of Sukracharya. Sukracharya, S capital, SHUKRACHARYA. Devyani was the daughter of Sukracharya, full stop, continue. Kutch came to the hermitage. Kutch came, CAME, came to the hermitage, HERMITAGE, hermitage of Sukracharya, to learn the secret mantra, MANTRA, the secret mantra of bringing, BRINGING, of bringing the dead, DEAD, the dead back to life, BACK. BACK, બેક ટુ લાઈફ. ડેશ કરીને લખજો. ધ સંજીવની, એસ કેપિટલ, SANGJIVANI, સંજીવની વિદ્યા, વી કેપિટલ, VIDYA, સંજીવની વિદ્યા, ફૂલ સ્ટોપ, કન્ટિન્યુ. He stayed, STAYED, he stayed there in the ashram. They stayed there in the ashram, or you can say in the hermitage, and did, DID, and did all the works, WORKS, and did all the works assigned, ASSIGNED, assigned to him by his master. Full stop. Continue. He was intelligent, INTELLIGENT. He was intelligent, comma, hardworking, it's one word, HARDWORKING, hardworking, comma, young, 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 and handsome, HANDSOME, handsome. So Devyani fell in love, FELL, fell in love with K capital, Kutch, KACH, fell in love with Kutch at first sight, at FIRST, first sight, SIGHT, at first sight, full stop, continue. Sometimes, SOMETIMES, comma, sometimes both, BOTH, both Kutch and Devyani would wander, WANDER, would wander, would wander in the jungle, comma, sang, sang songs, songs, and danced, DANCED, and danced together, 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 full stop, continue. Whenever, WHENEVER, whenever Kutch was killed by the Asurs, A capital, ASURS, whenever Kutch was killed by the Asurs, comma, she requested her father to bring Kutch back, to bring, BRING, to bring Kutch back to life, using his mantra, MANTRA, using his mantra, इन्वर्ट कॉमा में लखजो मित्रों. संजीवनी विद्या, S capital, SANJIVANI, संजीवनी विद्या, V capital, VIDYA, संजीवनी विद्या, full stop. She loved him so much. She loved, LOVED, she loved him so much that she could not live without him. She loved him so much that she could not, COULD, she could not live, LIVE, live without him. Full stop, continue. The third time, comma, the Asurs killed Kutch. The third time, comma, the Asurs killed Kutch, comma, burnt his body, BURNT, burnt his body to ashes, burnt his body to ASHES, to ashes, and MIXED, mixed the ashes, and mixed the ashes, ASHES, and mixed the ashes to the divine wine, DIVINE, WINE, to the divine wine that Shukracharya drank, full stop, continue. Now it was almost impossible it was almost, ALMOST, almost impossible, IMPOSSIBLE. Now it was almost impossible for Sukracharya to bring Kutch back to life. To bring Kutch back to life. Full stop, continue. He advised, ADVISED, he advised Devyani not to grieve, GRIEVE, not to grieve or cry, CRY, not to grieve or cry over Kach's, K capital KACH apostrophe S, death, DEATH. He advised Devyani not to grieve or cry over Kach's death. Full stop, continue. She told her father that she would starve, STARVE, she would starve herself. She would starve herself, HERSELF. She would starve herself to death, DEATH, to death, and follow Kutch, K capital KACH, and follow Kutch, comma, her father had no option. Her father had no option, OPTION. Her father had no option but to revive Kutch to life. But to revive, REVIVE, to revive Kutch to life. Full stop, continue. This shows SHOWS, this shows how deeply, DEEPLY, how deeply she loved Kutch. How deeply she loved Kutch when Kutch refused, when Kutch refused, REFUSED, when Kutch refused to marry her, MARRY, to marry her, saying that, SAYING, saying that she was his sister. She was his sister, and his love for her was a love of a sister, and his love for her was a love of a sister. Full stop, continue. She urged, URGED, she urged, એટલે વિનંતી કરવી. She urged him to marry her. She urged him to marry her. Full stop. She got angry. ANGRY. She got angry and cursed, CURSED, श्राप आपको ना. She got angry and cursed him that he would fail, he would fail to practice, PRACTISE, that he would fail to practice Sanjeevani Vidya, S capital, SANJIVANI, Vidya, V capital, VIDYA, Sanjeevani Vidya. Full stop. So second short note અહીંયા પૂરી થઈ છે મિત્રો. Write down the third one and the title is Kutch. નીચે આપેલા questions છે એ પણ લખી લો. Whose son was Kutch? Next, why did he go to Sukracharya's hermitage? Next, how did he win the love of Sukracharya? Next, how was he in look? Next, what attracted Devyani towards him? What did Asurs do with him? Who revived him to life every time? Who loved him? How did he react to Devyani's proposal? Did he marry to Devyani? And the last question is, why did he refuse to marry to Devyani? Now write down the answer. Kach was the son of Brihaspati, B capital, Brihaspati. Kach was the son of Brihaspati, comma, the chief, Chief, the chief advisor, Advisor, the chief advisor of the Devs, D capital, Devs, the Devs, full stop, continue. On the request of the Devs, on the request of the Devs, D capital, Devs, on the request of the Devs, comma, he got ready, Ready, he got ready to go, he got ready to go to Shukracharya, to gain the knowledge, gain, to gain the knowledge, KNOWLEDGE, to gain the knowledge of Sanjeevani Vidya, full stop, continue. He went to the hermitage of Shukracharya, comma, requested him to teach him the Sanjeevani Vidya, and also promised, PROMISED, and also promised him that he would serve him, SERVE, he would serve him faithfully, 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 and would try, TRY, and would try to do everything, to his satisfaction, SATISFACTION, to his satisfaction, full stop, continue. Kach won, Kach won the faith of Shukracharya, Kach won the faith, FAITH, the faith of Shukracharya by his hard work, it's one word, HARDWORK, by his hard work, comma, sincerity, 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 and intelligence, 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 full stop, continue. He carried out, CARRIED, he carried out all the work sincerely and honestly, 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 he carried out all the work sincerely and honestly, full stop, continue. He would bring, BRING, he would bring firewood, FIREWOOD, he would bring firewood for the sacrificial, sacrificial, sacrificial fire, FIRE, sacrificial fire એટલે યજ્ઞ માટે જે લાકડા હોય એના માટે વપરાય છે, firewood for sacrificial fire. So he would bring firewood for the sacrificial fire for his master, 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 full stop, continue. He would take the cows. He would take the cows, cows, cows of his master, to the jungle, to the jungle, to graze, graze, to graze them, them. I repeat the entire sentence again. He would bring firewood for the sacrificial fire for his master. He would take the cows of his master to the jungle to graze them. Full stop, continue. He would also gather, gather. He would also gather fruits, fruits, fruits and flowers, flowers, and flowers for Devyani, D capital, Devyani, Devyani, and helped her in her household. It's a one word, household, in her household work. Full stop, continue. As, A capital AS, as he was handsome, HANDSOME, as he was handsome, comma, hardworking, again it's one word, HARDWORKING, hardworking, comma, sincere, 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 comma, young, 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 and very intelligent, 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 full stop, continue. Devyani fell in love with him. Devyani fell in love with him at the first sight. At the first sight, SIGHT. Full stop, continue. Kach was killed by the Asurs. Kach was killed by the, A capital, ASURS, Asurs, 3 times, THREE, 3 times, TIMES, 3 times, and every time, whenever, WHENEVER, whenever he was killed, comma, he was revived, REVIVED. Whenever he was killed, comma, he was revived by his master, Sukracharya, on the request of Devyani, full stop, continue. He saved his master's life. He saved, SAVED, he saved his master's, apostrophe S, MASTER, apostrophe S, master's life, using the newly, NEWLY, the newly learnt, LEARNT, newly learnt Sanjeevani Vidya. Sanjeevani, S capital, SANJIVANI, Sanjeevani Vidya, capital, VIDYA, Sanjeevani Vidya, and proved, PROVED, and proved his loyalty, LOYALTY, and proved his loyalty, full stop, continue. Devyani requested him to marry her, as she could not live without him. Devyani requested him to marry her as she could not live, LIVE, she could not live without him, full stop, continue. She urged, URGED, she urged him to accept her love. She urged him to accept, ACCEPT, to accept her love for him, full stop, continue. But Kach refused, REFUSED, Kach refused her proposal, PROPOSAL, but Kach refused her proposal, full stop, continue. he told her that they were WERE, they were brother and sister. He told her that they were brother and sister. Full stop, continue. He told Devyani that he was her brother as he was reborn, REBORN, as he was reborn from the stomach, STOMACH, the stomach of her father. Reborn from the stomach of her father, Sukracharya, and so his love for her was the love of a sister. Full stop, continue. He could not marry her. Marry her. Full stop, continue. He proved his purity, purity of heart. He proved his purity of heart, HEART. He proved his purity of heart and faithfulness, FAITHFULNESS, and faithfulness to his master. Full stop. So મિત્રો અહીંયા આ યુનિટ 7 કચ્છ એન્ડ દેવ્યાની યુનિટની અંદર આપણે ટોટલ 3 મોસ્ટ એમપી શોર્ટ નોટ્સ જોઈ. અસુસ અટેમ્પ્ટ્સ ટુ કિલ કચ્છ, દેવ્યાની અને કચ્છ. સો આ 3 જે શોર્ટ નોટ્સ છે એને તમે ખૂબ જ શાંતિથી લખી હશે. એને બરાબર વાંચજો, તૈયાર કરજો. ડેફિનેટલી આવનારી જે બોર્ડની પરીક્ષા છે એમાં આ 3માંથી કોઈ એક શોર્ટ નોટ પૂછાઈ શકે એવી છે. સો જો આ શોર્ટનોટના રિલેટેડ તમને કોઈ ક્વેશ્ચન હોય, ક્વેરી હોય તો તમે મને 9033624755 આ નંબર ઉપર તમે મને વોટ્સઅપ અધરવાઇઝ કોલ કરીને તમારા ક્વેશ્ચન્સ મને પૂછી શકો. જો તમે અન્ય શાળાના વિદ્યાર્થીઓ હો તો તમારા અંગ્રેજીના વિશેષ શિક્ષકો સાથે તમારે આ યુનિટના રિલેટેડ જે તે પણ બાબત છે, શોર્ટનોટના રિલેટેડ જે તે પણ ક્વેરી છે એની ચર્ચા તમારા વિશેષ શિક્ષકોની સાથે કરી લેવાની રહેશે. સો મિત્રો અહીંયા હવે ટકીએ છે. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ for being here.